Hey Wanderers! We're at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Universal Studios Orlando, standing on the platform of the Hogwarts Express. This isn't your typical theme park ride. It's a working transportation system that connects Hogsmeade and Diagon Alley, just like in the films. You're about to see the queue, the boarding process, and our arrival into Hogsmeade. What makes the Hogwarts Express special is the immersion once you're in the carriage. As the train moves through the countryside, there's a spooky moment where a Dementor enters the carriage and fly past the windows. It's one of those moments that catches you off guard. The Hogwarts Express has been a centerpiece of the Wizarding World since it opened in 2010, and it's one of the most immersive queue experiences you'll find anywhere. If you've ridden this before, let us know in the comments. And if you're enjoying our theme park content, a like and subscribe means a lot and helps us keep making these videos. Thanks for watching.
It's getting dark out there.
Oh, let's find a compartment.
Could use a snack. Where's the food trolley?
Food is the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gump's law of elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about? Smells no manner.
Made a Malfoy Manor of Lego at the liquor store down at Disney Springs. And it came with Dobby,
Are you alright, Cat?
I'm okay. Okay? That was brilliant.
Dementors on the Hogwarts Express? Foul, miserable creatures. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
And shopping frogs.
Oh, dear. Let's get back to your seats now. I'll try and round up these little
something's on fire.
They're being upgraded with new ones. And new characters.
Oh,
Doesn't that start
it's
this
the
fall?
car.
Next fall.
It's the flying car. Wait, is the Whomping Willow anywhere? Because it gets stuck in the Whomping Willow. It's gotta be somewhere.
I think that car's been through the Whomping Willow somewhere else.
It crashed again.
Not the first time it's been crashed. I thought it was all the way back there. It was all the way back there.
He circled around.
Woo!
Is that the Murphy?
Probably. Yeah, because they do it in the lake.
What book are you all on?
We're on the 5th.
You're in the 5th book? How kind of flew through those?
Yeah. Goblet of Fire.
I know when I fill out her reading log, it's like Harry Potter. Serious unfortunate.
Hogsmeade.
Harry Potter. Serious
Badly.
unfortunate.
We're at Hogsmeade.